Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make your CAD aesthetic. First, select a minimalist template as your foundation. A clean starting point allows for greater creative freedom. Next, establish a cohesive color scheme, ideally using just 2 or 3 main colors for visual harmony. Remember to prioritize clear content organization and generous white space. This ensures your site is easy to navigate and visually appealing on any device, from a large desktop monitor to a small smartphone screen. Moving on to typography and visuals, choose 1 or 2 fonts that are both readable and align with your overall aesthetic. Avoid using too many different styles, as this can make your CAD look cluttered. Always opt for high-resolution images or illustrations that directly relate to your content. Remember to optimize these files to ensure quick loading times, which is crucial for user experience. A few subtle animations can add a touch of polish without being distracting. Now, let's talk about interactive elements and branding. Implement clear call-to-action buttons with straightforward text, guiding your visitors effectively. Seamlessly integrate your social media links using uniform icons to maintain a professional appearance. It's essential to develop a distinct brand voice and a consistent visual identity across your entire CAD. Before publishing, thoroughly test all interactive components to guarantee they function perfectly for every user. Finally, let's focus on refinement and user experience. Throughout your design journey, make sure to preview your CAD often to catch any inconsistencies early. Seeking feedback from friends or colleagues can provide valuable insights and help you spot areas for enhancement. Double-check that all links, forms, and embedded content are completely operational. Your ultimate goal is to create a seamless, intuitive, and delightful experience for every visitor to your aesthetic CAD.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.